SEAT, showing you around the Seat Leon that we have in stock. It's a mystery blue 67 plate, but it's Seat lighting, daytime running lights on this car. Some lovely alloys. It's on just over 20,000 miles. It's been very well looked after. Paintwork's in excellent condition, as you can see. This car's for sale here at Blackpool SEAT, part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family run group of dealerships. We've got dealerships across the northwest. You'll find sites in Kendal, Lancaster, Southport, Blackpool of course, and as well in Wigan. So at the Blackpool site, you've got Blackpool SEAT of course, where this car is for sale at. Next door to us you've got Blackpool Automart. They sell a variety of brands of cars. A few of our part exchanges come in from there. Next door to them you've got the UK Superbike store, which is Honda Bikes. And across the road you've got Blackpool Honda, our flagship dealership. And over in the distance you've got the paint and body clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So all used cars, they do go through body shop checks. So any little bits on the car that are wrong do get sorted out before the sale of the car. So I'll point out one thing quickly here. It's the only bit that I can really find on this car. If there is a bit of a scuffed alloy on the front passenger side, that will be sorted upon the sale of the car. Yeah, all the bodywork gets sorted and then it goes through the workshop as a 142 point check to get it SEAT approved standard. That includes your brakes and your tyres. So any tyres below 3mm in tread do get replaced for brand new ones. And the car does come with at least 9 months service and at least 9 months MOT. This car's been very well looked after. It's got a full SEAT dealership service history, as well as 2 keys. Yeah, let's get into the car. So I'll show you the boot first. Got plenty of room in the boot. Got a little cargo net if you want to carry any fluids in the car with you. You also have tyre inflation kit underneath the floor. Parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. And the seats do fold in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of extra room. Onto the rear seats, plenty of leg space, a couple of vents for the rear passengers. And as you can see, you've got cloth sports seats in this car, so that's your red FR stitching on the car. Into the driver's seat. I'll show you the seats first. So like I said, sports seats, red FR stitching on the car. Stepping into the car, you'll find a 6-speed manual gearbox with an electronic parking brake and your brake hold. Down in the centre console you've got all your power outlets, dual zone climate control with this car. Then the buttons down here, you've got your different driving modes which do pop up on the infotainment system. So you've got eco, normal and sport, as well as individual where you can tailor it to your own needs. Got your auto stop start and your hazards. Onto the infotainment system, won't go into too much detail with this. You've got all your radio sources and your media sources. Satellite navigation, show you what that looks like. Traffic updates, Bluetooth hands-free audio, all your driving data. You've got full link with this car, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your mirror link. You can adjust the sound on your speakers, and lastly, you can control the air conditioning from the infotainment system. Onto the speedometer. So you can see that the car is sat on 20,350 miles. It's quite low mileage, especially for its age. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your media buttons. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got the button that controls the trip computer located in between the speedometer. On the left indicator stalk, you'll find your cruise control settings, as well as your indicators, your main beam and your full beam. And on the right hand side, you've got your wipers. Just down to the right hand side, you've got your light style. And on the driver's door card, you've got electrically adjustable mirrors, electrically adjustable windows, and lastly, child lock located on the driver's door handle. That's the interior. That's the car. It's available at Blackpool SEAT. If you'd like to know any more information about this car or want to know any finance options available on this car, please contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. We hope to hear from you soon.